In the morning. Now you know what it's time for, Coco and Angie.
Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Robert's real.
First of all,
Wait.
y'all would never give him, like, he is so cool, and y'all just gave him that corny dun 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 dun.
Do it again. You got his music?
What?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to our movie critic segment of the show.
Yes.
Robert's Reels!
Hi, this is Robert from Robert Shields. Robert Shields is the real deal.
That's right.
There you go, the real deal.
Yeah. You are the real deal. You got to see the biggest movie that comes out today before anybody else. Tell Detroit.
Batman versus Superman.
Yeah!
So I saw the trailer. It looks good to me, but you got to tell me without giving it away. How's the movie? Like, what is it like? Explain.
Well, in the trailer, as you can see, Batman, Superman, and Wonder Woman are working together. So them fighting wasn't the main plot line. It was only a part of the movie. That's not really spoiling because the trailer showed it.
Okay. Do it, Robert. So what is it? It's like they're a team together. Are they versing each other? Batman versus Superman. What is it?
Well, Batman doesn't really like Superman because I mean, it's not really Superman's fault. He didn't really bring the war to them, but I don't know. Batman doesn't really know everything because he's a human, not like Superman. So he doesn't know what happened, all that stuff.
So he's got a little beef with Superman.
Okay.
Batman does. So who's the villain?
Well, I guess the thing in the movie was that Batman was, you know that thing where you get the iron and you make it hot and you stick it on somebody's skin?
Brand.
Yeah, Batman was branding people, and then Superman got mad, and then that's what started the whole thing.
Now tell me about the special effects. What did you see and enjoy the most?
There was this. Actually, no, I can't say that.
You can't.
But there was something.
Dang.
There was something, and that something was causing very big electric explosions, and that looked pretty cool in my perspective.
It looked pretty cool on the
Okay.
screen.
So
Okay.
let me
Go
ask
ahead,
this:
Coco.
which one of them had a girlfriend in the movie?
Superman?
Okay.
All right. Now tell me honestly, was this movie boring or was it good from start to finish?
Good from start to finish.
Okay, all right. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best ever, 1 it sucks, what do you rate this movie?
Off the charts.
Wow.
Wow.
Now, wait a minute. Wait.
Charts.
I got
really like this
I got one more
movie.
nugget
Okay,
to
go ahead,
ask you.
go,
I got
go.
one more nugget. Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman looked like the person from Tyrant. She looked like Jamal's wife, and she is kind of hot in my perspective.
Go ahead, Robert.
Did you
Go
say
ahead,
Robert?
I like Robert.
Hold on. Don't hit him. Robert's mother standing back here. Don't hit him. Don't hit him. Don't hit him. He been exposed to radio.
Real talk, real talk.
Yeah, he said she was hot.
My husband said that too.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Robert, your dad said she was hot too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Chip off the whole block.
Detroit, Robert, he's gonna hook us up for the Kitty Disco. He's got hookups all over the place. We have some special movie passes he's going to bring to the Kitty Disco, or he's going to give to me to bring to the Kitty Disco. So I want to say thank you for doing that. Robert.
Some movie passes?
Yes, he's got the hook.
Oh, that's hot. And we want to let people know that part of the movie was actually shot where? In the D.
Yay! All
So
right.
yes.
So do you have anything else you want to say about the movie?
Actually, I did. In the movie, Batman goes into this building, and I watched Gotham because it's with Batman and all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Well, in the series of Gotham, there's the Joker's question marks, and he doesn't really like Jim Gordon right now, and those question marks were inside Batman vs. Superman, so I think they lined it up together, because if it wasn't for Gotham, I never would have known what that question mark was.
Wow. So you're saying people that watch Gotham they'll catch on better to the movie?
Yeah, but they're like little Easter eggs. You have to like find the little question marks.
Okay.
Little hints.
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
all
All
right.
right.
Robert's
real. So all the parents
the
that are
real
out of
deal.
school, the kids are out of school
Yeah.
next week. You're trying to find something to do. After you do the Kitty Disco with Angie, you're going to, as you catch your breath and get yourself together, a couple days later, buy some tickets and take your kids to the movie. Or you may be fortunate enough to be a part of Robert's Reel and get some tickets at the Kitty Disco.
Hey, real quick, family-friendly movie, meaning mom, dad, and kids all will enjoy, or mom, dad, bored? What? Will everybody enjoy this movie, Robert?
I just one part of the movie. I wouldn't say I would say family, but maybe not too young of a kid because there was a massive jump scare and I spilled popcorn all over my brother. And he was very angry at me.
But at least you didn't spill pop all over him, so it's okay.
Yeah.
Popcorn, you can kind of, get it up.
So if you're a fan of like Five Nights at Freddy's and all that stuff, then you should probably just cover your ears because I'm about to tell the spoiler alert so people don't get really scared like me. But when Bruce Wayne goes into his mom's like graveyard door or whatever it's called, black stuff comes out and then the big monster comes out. I don't know, but it's just a dream and it scares me like really badly. So I'm just telling you.
Be prepared.
Be prepared.
Yeah, if you're from the hood, you done went in a lot of doors and smoke and black stuff. I'm used to black stuff and smoke coming out of most people. I visit doors, so that's quite okay. Thank you, Robert.